Hi everyone, Darcy DeSilva here with nasilvawealth, and I'm here to talk to you about house hacking. Now, if you like our content, please remember to subscribe or hit the like button or leave any comments. It'd be greatly appreciated. Now, what is house hacking? House hacking is when you buy a single family home, a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex as your primary residence with the goal of either minimizing your one of your biggest expenses, which is generally rent or mortgage, or even completely eliminating it. And so I'm actually living in a house hack as we speak. It's been a great strategy for myself, and there are so many benefits to doing it. You look at things like if you're renting and you're able to cover all of your housing costs, you've got zero housing costs. So you now have this savings vehicle that you haven't had before that accelerates your ability to save up your next down payment for your next investment property, if that's something you're looking to do. You've also got the ability now to learn about investing in real estate, learning about the different types of inspections, getting a mortgage, just going through the motion and all those different things that are generally very new for investors. And so you get to live through that and working with tenants, collecting rent. So there are lots of opportunities to learn when you're doing your own house hack. You then get the benefit of principal pay down. That's money in the bank. People are paying down your mortgage for you every single month. And then the benefit of appreciation with that property. So over time, as that property appreciates in value, you've got this equity that's now been built up that you may be able to use through a refinance to help fund your next purchase. So there's all these things that are working together for you that allow you to save a lot quicker. And you know what? If you fall in on hard times as well, you've now got minimized housing costs. So it allows for you to sort of work through some of those things also. So that's house hacking in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe or hit the like button, and we look forward to putting more content out to you soon. Thanks.